It's the real developers of AI.
Is deploying with AI different than deploying without AI? Oh, I don't know. Is baking a cake in the oven different than just leaving the batter out on a hot sidewalk? Really? I'm actually asking. I'm not really an expert in deployments or cooking. I mainly live on protein powder and my favorite, Swedish fish cars. Look at this. Agentic deployment in action. My AI assistant created the PR, labeled it with semantic versioning, and even suggested a celebratory emoji.
Right, but why is it the flag of Luxembourg?
Look, I don't tell you how to celebrate, and long live the Duke.
Okay. Your code looks neat, but where did you get this pipeline?
Oh, Copilot wrote it for me, and then I rewrote it, and then Copilot rewrote what I wrote, and then we gave birth to a beautiful YAML baby.
Ew, David.
It's Bert.
So, like, how much footage can we delete? Is this like a pay-to-play thing, or? Well, an automated pipeline is still a first for you, I gotta say.
I know, isn't it great? I'm never gonna have to pretend to be a DevOps engineer again.
You still have to know your stuff.
Oh,
Bert.
yes, I know the stuff that I know, and the stuff that I will know, I'll also know now. Presently, I will continue to know the things that are known by me.
Are you ready to roll out this feature?
I thought you'd never ask. Beth usually never lets me anywhere near our deployment pipelines. I can't believe that all of this AI stuff is tricking her into trusting me. Little does she know that I've carefully validated every step of this deployment on my onesies. She'll never suspect a thing.